Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a budget-friendly gaming PC that's great for beginners, casual gamers, and anyone looking to get into PC gaming, the Skytech Nebula Gaming Desktop. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the latest price, deals, and availability. This one often goes fast. Gear emoji, specs at a glance. Let's start with what you're getting under the hood. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5500 to 6 cores, 12 threads, clocked at 3.6 GHz, boosts up to 4.2 GHz. Reliable and efficient for 1080p gaming and multitasking. GPU, AMD Radeon RX 6400 4GB GDDR6, entry-level GPU that handles esports and light AAA gaming. RAM, 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz, solid for multitasking, gaming, and light productivity. Storage, 500GB SSD, fast boot and load times, but you may want to upgrade or add storage for bigger game libraries. Power supply, 650 watts 80 plus gold PSU, reliable, efficient, and upgrade ready. Connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi, Windows 11 pre-installed. Case, clean, minimalistic design with RGB fans and tempered glass panel. Video game emoji, gaming performance, what can it handle? This PC is aimed at 1080p gamers, and it handles most esports and lighter titles very well. Here's a quick idea of what you can expect. Fortnite, Valorant, League of Legends, Rocket League, 60 to 100 plus FPS on medium to high settings. Minecraft, Roblox, Among Us, runs perfectly. AAA titles like GTA 5, Skyrim, Elden Ring, low settings, playable around 40 to 60 FPS. Cyberpunk 2077, Hogwarts Legacy, you'll need to drop to low settings and tweak resolution scaling for smoother experience. If your goal is to play the latest games on ultra settings, this isn't it. But for casual or new gamers playing at 1080p, it offers solid value. Toolbox emoji, build quality and upgrade potential. Skytech has done a great job with the Nebula's clean cable management, airflow, and RGB accents. The included case has good ventilation and room to upgrade, whether it's adding a second drive, upgrading to a stronger GPU, or expanding RAM. It's also a great entry-level streaming/recording PC. Pair it with a capture card or OBS, and you're good to go for Twitch or YouTube. White check mark emoji, pros. Affordable entry-level system for 1080p gaming. 6-core Ryzen 5 5500 is snappy and efficient. 16GB RAM is great out of the box, no need to upgrade right away. 650 watts gold PSU equals reliable for future GPU upgrades. Wi-Fi and Windows 11 ready to go. Stylish RGB case with tempered glass panel. Cross mark emoji, cons. RX 6400 is basic, not meant for demanding modern games on high settings. 500GB storage may fill up quickly, especially with today's big game installs. No ray tracing support. No front USB-C, depends on case version. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict, who's it for? The Skytech Nebula is a great starter gaming PC. Whether you're a student, a casual gamer, or someone switching from console to PC for the first time, this system gives you a reliable, smooth, and stylish entry into the gaming world. If you're planning to mostly play games like Fortnite, League, Minecraft, or older AAA titles at 1080p, this machine is going to perform just fine, and down the line, it's easy to upgrade the GPU and storage as your needs grow. Right pointing finger emoji, check the link below for the latest deal, and if you're just getting into PC gaming, this is one of the best beginner systems you can buy in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to review or compare other budget pre-builds.